Welcome to this beginner's guide to KineMaster. In today's video, we will walk through the basics to help you get familiar with the KineMaster interface, import media, and make your first edits. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Let's start by opening KineMaster. When you first open the app, you will land on the home screen. Here you can start a new project, access your saved projects, and browse KineMaster's asset store for effects, music, and templates. To begin editing, tap the big plus button in the middle. Here you have to mention the size of your video. The first one is the size for YouTube videos, and the second one is for Reels. Either they may be for TikTok or Facebook, and the third one is for Instagram videos. We go with the first size, that is of YouTube videos. So press the create button and it will take you to the screen where you can select media from your gallery. It can be an image or a video clip. After selection, note that by default these clips or images are of length 4 seconds, but you can change the length by pinch zooming. Here by pinch zooming I have extended the length of images and it is applied to all the images as well. Similarly, we can reduce the size of these images by zoom pinching inwards. If you want to split a clip, move the playhead to the point you want to cut and tap split. Here the clip can be trimmed on the right or left side of cursor on the timeline or just split. You can also rearrange clips easily. Just tap and hold a clip, then drag it to a new position on the timeline. This helps in keeping your video flow smooth. To see how your edits are coming along, tap the play button above the timeline. Or for viewing full screen, you can long press the play button. You can stop the preview anytime by tapping on the cross button. Don't forget to save your progress. Tap the back arrow at the top left and KineMaster will automatically save your project for you. And that's it for today's video. Now you know how to create a new project, import media, and make your first cuts in KineMaster. In the next video, we will dive into adding transitions and effects to level up your editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.